Hi, I'm Amy, and I would like to talk to you about a frame for punch needle rug hooking called a carpet tack frame. This isn't a carpentry video for how to assemble a frame, but I just want to show you some of the ingredients, what you'll need to make a frame. If you're handy or know someone who's handy, they're not hard to put together. First thing to let you know is these are extremely sharp, so be careful when you're working. We are going to cover those nails up after we stretch our backing on the frame. Carpet tack strips come two different ways. First off, when you're buying carpet tack strip, they'll say, would you like that for wood or concrete? Make sure you get it for wood. They also come with two different choices for nails. If you notice, this strip has 2 rows of nails, 1, 2, and this has 3 rows of nails, 1, 2, 3. I prefer the 3 just because it grips a little better, but I didn't even know there was 3 for about 25 years, so either one will do absolutely fine. An affordable and easy material for making a frame is these canvas stretcher bars, and they push together like this. They're a tight fit, so you push them really hard, and you might want to hammer them together to get them nice and tight. And once you have your 4 pieces together, you're going to attach your carpet tack strip. If you notice, this has a ridge here. You don't want to put your carpet tack on this side. You actually want to put it on this side where it's nice and flat. You want to make sure that your carpet tack nails are pointing out and that you bring this right onto the inside edge of your frame. So don't line it up with the outside edge. Tuck it right up onto the inside edge. You'll notice that these carpet tack strips actually have nails in them, so you're going to nail them onto your frame using those nails. And if you don't have a nail right at the end, go ahead and put a little extra nail at the end so it's really secure. You can make all different size lap frames, but I find I don't like to go bigger than a 20 by 30. It's just too awkward. If you are making a bigger frame, these are called regular canvas stretcher bars. They also make a heavy-duty canvas stretcher bar. Another way you can do your frame is just really basic carpentry. This is pine wood. The ends are butted together, screwed together, and then plugged. And you can see that the carpet tack comes right up to the edge and the nails are pointed out.